Welcome back children to lesson number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Today in this chapter we will start with last exercise of this chapter, that is 4.6. Question number 1 is, from the given figure identify the center of circle, 3 radii, a diameter, a chord, 2 points in the interior, a point in the exterior, a sector and a segment. Children, in this figure, the center of the circle is O. 3 radii in this circle are OA, OB and OC. Then the diameter. The diameter in the circle is CA. The chord of the circle is ED. Children, AC is diameter as well as chord of the circle. 2 points in the interior of the circle are O and P. A point in the exterior of circle is point Q. The sector of the circle is AOB. The shaded part and the segment of the circle is ED. Again the shaded part. Children, I will repeat the answer. The center of the circle is O. 3 radii are OA, OB and OC. The diameter is AC and a chord is ED. 2 points in the interior are O and P. A point in the exterior is Q. A sector is AOB, that is shaded region, and a segment is ED, that is shaded region. Question number 2 is, every diameter of a circle also a chord. Yes, this statement is true. Every diameter of circle is also a chord. Diameter of a circle is longest chord in the circle. Now the second one is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Children, this statement is false. No, every chord of a circle is not a diameter. Now question number 3. Draw any circle and mark its center, a radius, a diameter, a sector, a segment, a point in its interior, a point in its exterior and an arc. Children, here you have to draw a circle and you have to mark all these parts of circle in it. Children, you can see this figure. A circle is drawn and points are marked on it. Here you can see O is the center of the circle, OC is the radius, AB is the diameter and AOC is sector. Here segment is ED, a point in the interior is O and point in the exterior is F. Here an arc is AC. Children, I will repeat. The center of the circle is O, radius is OC, diameter is AB, a sector is AOC. Segment is DE or ED, point in the interior is O, point in the exterior is F and an arc is AC. Children, here I gave you OC as radius, but you have 2 more radius, that is OA and OB. Now, last question of this exercise and this chapter, say true or false. First one is, 2 diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. Yes children, this is a true statement. 2 diameters will always intersect each other at the center of the circle. Now the next one is, the center of a circle is always in its interior. This statement is also true. Children, the center of the circle will always be in its interior. Meaning of interior is inside and the center of the circle is always inside the circle. That is why this statement is a true statement. Children, write all these exercises in your maths notebook. This was the end of the chapter. We will meet with a new chapter Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.